Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to as many people that are subscribed to this channel. Thank you for so much support that you've given, for the comments, for the shares, for the likes, and for the critics and all that. I am extremely grateful. You have actually made this channel whatever it is right now. We started out from 0 subscribers and now we are at 10k, and it wouldn't be possible if you out there didn't see the videos, if you didn't put those comments there, if you never supported this channel. This wouldn't have been possible. In as much as a lot of people think YouTubers don't really read their comments, I read every single comment, all of the Blender wars, all of the Maya wars, all of the wars that ever happened in the comment section. I read all of them, and all I want to say is thank you so much. Just a brief or just a background story of the channel. The channel actually started out as a prerequisite for my MSc program earlier in 2017, and within that time I've already wanted to start a YouTube page, but then it came in handy when I had to actually do this for two reasons. One, to teach or share things which I know, and a couple of apps which I think a lot of people don't have an idea about. And I also felt that it was really necessary for CG artists and also newcomers into the 3D space to understand what some of these apps do and how they can work around it, hence the reviews and the walkthroughs. Other things which I also found out that a lot of people don't really have a good idea about, which is something that actually drives me a lot, is updates. So I also decided to include that and also put up some tutorials around it as well. And that's why you get to see tutorials, update, reviews. And I also figured out that a lot of artists also struggle with getting assets or materials or textures and some other things like that, some plugins and tools. And hence we decided to come up with a free Friday, and that's why we have this free Friday thing going on. Over time, I'm also planning on doing some other things that would also take us to Patreon. But for now, I want to keep all the courses that I'm making for this channel just for this channel alone. I've also thought about other things as well that would also help grow this channel and also help better the artists, and also try and see if I can give back to the community. I can't necessarily say I am 100% self-taught. All I can say is I am more of 100% community taught. In as much as I didn't learn every single thing in the university classroom, most of the things which I learned today, I learned them using either help files or via the community. And right now it is also amazing that there are lots of tools that are coming out that are even making the process way more easier. And if you have questions about maybe something I've done before, if you're into apps, or maybe you want to see some reviews about some other things, or maybe you want me to just make a course about something, we'll actually have about 2 other courses that we're recording right now, and most probably they're also going to be available and free for the guys here on YouTube. And if there are things you want to know about, let's say there are questions and other subsequent things you want to have an idea about, things that you find confusing when it gets to do it with 3D, you can ask those questions, and you can also ask personal questions. If you want me to do a Q&A, I would actually be glad to do those stuff for you guys. I really like to know what you guys think about these things. I'm extremely grateful to you guys, and all I can say is thank you for your support, and thank you for helping this channel grow as much as it has. See you in the next video. Peace.